Hello everyone. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make oyster fried rice, oyster chahan. So this one is oyster, 150 gram from Sado Island, fresh one, and I'm using bacon, it's 70 gram. Good matching with oyster bacon and using garlic, also olive oil, and this one is butter, 30 gram, and this one is seasoning, shirodashi, white soy sauce, and pepper, and I'm gonna use soy sauce. This one is added color and good flavor from this with butter. Butter and soy sauce is good combination, good flavor, very tasty. So I'm just set steamed rice. This one is hot. You must use hot rice. Make fried rice. Don't use cold one. You must set hot steam rice. Okay, it's about 250 grams hot steam rice. Okay, let's start cooking. And oyster you must wash, and this one is very juicy. That's why you have to clean up, wipe of some water, because many water come from this oyster. Okay, like that, and cut bacon like this, and good flavor from bacon, a little bit smoky, right? That's why, and garlic chop. Okay, let's start cooking oyster fried rice, oyster chahan. Okay, color like this. Bacon. Okay, good flavor coming from bacon. And oyster. About 2-3 minutes saute with the bacon and the oyster. And steam rice, hot one. You must use hot steam rice. Don't use cold one. Like that. High flame always. So if you use cold steam rice, it's too sticky for the bottom. So now nothing, right? Almost nothing. Nothing sticky. So that meaning is very important. Making a dry texture. Dry texture. Okay. Pepper. Like this. Shirodashi. Like this. Soy sauce. Just a little bit. Like this. Okay. I'm gonna try to taste. Delicious. And with the sweet. And I'm just heating up, serving this like this. Okay. Fried rice. Almost doesn't stick in bottom side, right? That's a very important point. Okay, making nice decoration. And green on top a little bit. This one is mitzvah. Okay, let's start to eat. Okay, let's try to eat oyster fried rice. It's soy sauce, butter flavored oyster chahan. Looks yummy, right? So try to taste. Oyster with pepper. いただきます。So delicious. Good flavor from oyster. I love butter flavor with soy sauce. So yummy. See, I love oyster in this season. Winter season is best season of oyster. Good texture. Rice. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.